Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to help you out with the how you can add more than 10 photos on an Instagram post. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. What you need to do is you need to simply open your Instagram app, then tap on the plus icon in the middle. After that you will be able to see your account that will look something like this, where you can see all of your recent photographs. So in order to select more than 10 photos, you first have to tap on select multiple, and then you just have to simply tap on the pictures that you want to basically post. So as you can see that I have selected more than 10 images and it is not giving me any error that it is not allowed or so you just have to simply select 1 to 10 images from your gallery and then tap on the next icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you can add the filters if you want to, and you can even do multiple things on it, and once you are done you just have to tap on the next button, and this way you can basically post more than 10 photos or in your Instagram post. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.